All right. So we are recording right now. Okay. This is our GBP chart. All right, in 4 hours time frame. So let me explain what is going to happen. We've had a cup in the 4 hours time frame. So we have a handle, which is a flag also. We are expecting a buy. All right, we are expecting a buy because the market has broken the horizontal zone here, the zone we have here, this strong zone that we have here. So we are expecting a buy and a retest on it. So we are expecting a buy on this market. And if that buy is going to come, we would be expecting it to come and move up to there is no stipulated zone there, but the market is going to go higher and higher. If you check very well on the daily chart, the markets have been making moves of higher highs and higher lows. All right, higher highs and higher lows. So it's just a continuation of the previous moves of the market. So it's still gonna continue the moves. All right, so that is that for GBP AUD. So it's gonna be making some higher moves. So you have to either enter, or let's go down to the lower time frame so we can get an entry. Our entry we should be looking at, you've already seen, watch here, you've already seen there's a dodgy candle there. There's a dodgy candle there. And probably the end, that is the close of this this candle here, by the close of this candle here, we'll actually take an entry at the close of this candle. We take an entry at the close of this candle. So that is what we are going to do. We'll wait until the candle closes before we can take an entry. All right, that is that for AUD, GBP AUD. All right, so the next one is EURUSD. EURUSD. So we're going to look at EURUSD right now. Okay, any question on this one? Is there any question on this one? It's a very simple analysis. It shouldn't be
no question. There's no question.
Okay. The next one is EURUSD. EURUSD. Okay, I think let's go with this one. It's loading. Okay, the chart have loaded. I think I analyzed this chart earlier, so let me just zoom out a bit. So let's go to 4 hours time and see what is happening in 4 hours time. Okay, these are our 4 hours time frame. Okay, these are our 4 hours time frame. All right. If you draw your trend lines properly, taking your trend lines, this is Euro USD, the almighty Euro USD. Okay, if you connect your points properly in 4 hours time, you're supposed to be having what I have now as a trend line. As a trend line. What is the problem with this line? As a trend line, okay, we'll be having this. So we've had break and retest. I don't know anybody who took this trade because I took the trade. We analyzed it the last time, I think on Sunday. We analyzed it on Sunday. That was when I drew all this rubbish or something. Then I took the trade. So we are expecting the market to come down to this zone. All right. You see a horizontal zone here. Okay, you can map it out on your chart. You can map it out on your chart. So we are expecting the market to come to this zone. Once it gets to this zone, we are looking for a long. We need to long the market. So once the market comes back to this zone, we take the position. All right, we take the position up. The market may not be able to retrace. Even if it's going to retrace much, the only retracement is going to have is to come back down to this zone. To come back down to this zone. To this zone here. This zone here. That's where the market is going to come back down to. All right, that's where it will come back down to. That's to test this trend line again before going up. And if you're trading, please be very careful of news. All right, be very, very careful what news is saying. Always check news before you place your trades. All right, so once this happens, we are good to go, because we are expecting the market to go very high. We're expecting the market to go very high. You see that cup I drew on GBPUSD, GBPAUD, they inverted. So that was the same thing that just happened here. All right. So we are looking at it to go to this zone, this particular zone. Why can't I click on this? This particular zone, that's where we are expecting the market to go back to. So from here, we are expecting the market to go here. So by the end of the week, the market should get there. All right. So that will be end of the class. Please always share our live chat, and don't forget to subscribe for the advanced class. Subscribe for the advanced class by registering with our link and funding. When you fund, you trade with our analysis and insights. We give you entry levels on advanced class. All right. Thank you so much, and God bless you. All right. Please, do you have any question or anything you want to tell us? The floor is open for you. I will leave my chat on so you can look at it properly. Any question?
Sir, please, can you explain more about the trend line you drew on the GBP AUD?
GBP what?
AUD, GBP AUD.
Okay, GBP AUD. All right, let me go back to that GBP AUD. GBP AUD. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is it, right? This is it, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Now, this wasn't the one I drew. I think this was this is a different stuff or something. Now it's supposed to be starting from here. Okay, then a move of this one up to this zone. Okay, so we'll have a perfect trend line. Now, this trend line I drew, I saw the market falling, all right, making higher highs and higher lows. Now, if you go down to 1 hour time frame, okay, if you go down to 1 hour time frame, we'll see it there. You see a move of higher highs and higher lows. Can you see it?
Yes, I am seeing it.
Yes. So it is based on that higher highs and higher lows that the market was actually making that I started taking these moves. Let me start it from here. This is it. Higher highs. This is a higher high, higher low, higher high. Can you see it? Higher low,
I'm seeing.
higher high. But this was not too high, so it is nullified. It's not too high enough to take on this other one. That was why it was nullified at this zone, so we cannot call it a higher high for all these ones. If you draw a line now, trend line, you cannot get what is it called? You can't get a trend line, so it is not high enough. Did you understand me? You see the main higher high here.
Okay, yeah, I'm seeing it.
Yes, the higher high that is corresponding to this other one here. The higher high that is corresponding to this other high. All these ones are smaller higher highs that have been happening in the lower time frame or the short-term trades. All right, like your 15 minutes and your 5 minutes and all of that. These are the ones that have been happening there. But the real move is this one. Are we together? So if we go again, we have another one that is here. Okay? Then another one that is, another one that goes up here. Are we together?
Yeah, yes.
So I think this explains everything that you need, right? So this is the pattern. Then if we wish to continue it, now the market didn't want to, move again. So it just broke through this zone. It broke through this zone, creating a horizontal level to correspond with these other horizontal zones here. Are we together? If you check here, making a consolidation there. Just making a consolidation around this zone here. That's what the market is just doing. Grabbing some kind of liquidity there. And after the grab of liquidity, I wish I will be able to do supply and demand. So it's a very, very important concept in trading. And I will explain more about what the market is actually doing. All right. Maybe somebody can just bring it to my notice. All right. So that was the reason why I drew the trend line. So I think it's clear now. Is there still any confusion?
No confusion. I'm cleared.
Okay. So let me go back to 4 hours time so you can see it clearer. So this is our 4 hours chart. So this is what is actually happening in the 4 hours. All right. So it's looking at it from 4 hours, it looks somehow, why is this guy drawing this there? But if you go down to our time frame, it's supposed to give us the perfect view of what we want. Is that okay?
Yeah, I'm seeing it. I understand.
Okay. Any other question, please? If there is no other question, please, can I beg for my leave? Can I beg to leave, please?
Hello.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay. Thanks for the class. I think we had a very nice time. But my contribution is on the Euro USD.
Euro USD.
Yeah.
Okay, let me go to. Why am I writing this? EURUSD. Okay.
Euro USD.
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah,
The
hello.
chart is up. The chart is up.
Yeah.
Okay.
What I wanted to say is that when you look at from was it 23rd of last month?
23rd of last month. Hold on.
The first support that we get on that.
Here.
So I'm not hearing you.
Hello?
You mean here?
Yeah, I mean no, the first one, yeah.
Yes.
You see, we had a first support that place. We had a second support on the I think on the 30th of last month, and we have the third support on the 6th of this one. So probably this is a clear also confirmation for bullish triple bottom.
Yes. Now, if you something to what you just said, if you look here, what we have here is actually, let me draw it out. This is actually, what is this thing doing? This is actually a bearish, it looks like a bearish engulfing, but is a track pattern. Is a railway track pattern here. That's why we have this bullish move, strong bullish move. If you check this one too, the same thing. So that is what we are considering here. So for this market to come back to grab this area of liquidity here, gives us a stronger mind to long the market. And if you look at this, this is a free value gap here, a free value gap that we have here that the market would want to cover. If you check now, if you check here, this place, what is this doing? If you check here, we had that same free value gap here. The market went up, did everything, and come back to peak liquidity down here. Are we together? So that is exactly what the market is going to do here. Okay.
And earlier on, you could also see a head and shoulder pattern. Before.
Right here. Yeah. Right here, you can get head and shoulder too. So the problem there is we are not really practicing. If you're really practicing, you won't be having challenges. All right. From my first class, you should have really improved yourself in trading. All right.
Yeah. Sure.
Okay. So I'll be leaving right now. If you have any other question, please can you just send me a DM, please? I've already spent more time than I stipulated for this live class. I'm very, very down. So I would stop here for today, please. Thank you so much. I'll be dropping the video of this also on my YouTube channel, Take Brutal FX. Please go and subscribe to my channel. I like some of my old videos. I've not done video for about close to a month now because I've been having series of classes. I've been having multiple classes. So I will try and drop this video on my YouTube channel probably this week so I can keep my subscribers alive. All right. So please join the trend too. All right. And don't forget to join the advanced class by registering and funding your account. A lot of people have joined the live class or the advanced class already and they funded the account. So please do well to join the advanced class. Thank you so much. A lot of people joined today. Thank you so much for joining. I will see you on Wednesday. Unfailingly on Wednesday, I'll be around. Okay, I'll be around on Wednesday for us to talk more. So if you have any question, any confusion, or any contribution, please just give me a DM. I will respond as soon as possible. All right. Thank you so much. Basi from Take Bruta FS Community signing out. All right. Thank you so much.